Documentary video about veterinary. Downtown Animal Clinic. History of the Downtown Animal Clinic, 9th Avenue SW, Calgary. The original owner of the clinic was Dr. J. Gordon Anderson, who was Dr. Anderson was the first practitioner. It became evident that there was a need for a facility for horses, food-producing animals. On May 12, 1937, Dr. Anderson received a medal from Buckingham Palace honoring his veterinary work for the army. Dr. Anderson became the veterinarian in charge of thoroughbreds. A quote from One Day's Journey, by Stephen Wilk. He says that, in all conditions of weather the vet was called upon, and faithfully he journeyed to the sick animal regardless of distance or season. There were no graduate veterinarians in that whole area in 1924, for example. Therefore, most calls were of an urgent nature. Methods of cure and medication have greatly changed. The veterinarian traveled all types of road in every EPIF condition. Own vet had to description of the products, services of the company, what kind of business and product they have. General medicine, cardiology, dental services, diagnostic imaging, heartworm prevention, euthanasia, preventative care, pet vaccination. Pet food classifications. The following pet food classifications are as defined by the Association of American Feed Control Officials. The main goal of pet food is to maintain a nutritious and balanced diet. This can be obtained with the right pet food. Prescription diets. Medicated diets are created to augment nutritional needs for pets dealing with illness or disease. Services. Veterinary radiology. Senior pet care. Spay and neuter. Pet vaccinations. Organizational structure, chart of the company. Having a written formal organizational chart can play a major role in the development of your staff and the successful growth of your practice. The organizational chart will provide the practice owner with a reliable indication as to whether the practice is positioned to meet future business goals. An organization chart shows a visual illustration there. Reporting relationships, levels of management and divisions of work. As defining responsibilities and dependencies in a concise manner as it is currently structured and respond. Organizational charts are evolving to innovative design that provides insights information. Company rules and regulations. Taxing medical devices, 2012, FAQ, get answers to common questions about the 2012 regulation imposing a 2. Business laws. State regulation of veterinary facilities. Veterinary facilities are generally regulated at a state level. State laws on veterinary specialist claims. State laws that specifically regulate the use of the term specialist by veterinarians. D. Requirements. Veterinary compliance with the D and The Controlled Substances Act use these materials to better understand and comply. Safety, production, maintenance. Quality control, quality assurance. Customer satisfaction and others. Hazard prevention and infection control. Recommendations for employers to have the responsibility to provide a safe workplace. Employers should develop a comprehensive written safety and health program external icon that addresses key elements. Employers of veterinary medicine and animal care workers should. Prevention through design. To prevent and control workplace injuries, illnesses and fatalities is to design out hazards and risks early in the design process. Hierarchy of controls listed below should be followed to most effectively protect veterinary medicine and animal care workers from workplace elimination. Remove the hazard from the workplace, e.g., do not admit animals for which the facility is not properly equipped. Worker training. Veterinary medicine and animal care workers should be trained about hazards before they begin work. Potential workplace hazards. Effective use of controls for reducing workplace exposures. Veterinary standard. Downtown Animal Care Center is an affordable, low-cost, well-established, all-service small animal veterinary clinic providing medical staff will be taking precautions in an effort to prevent the virus from spreading. As always, we are sanitizing using Downtown Animal Care Center offers a variety of veterinary services designed to keep your pet happy and healthy.